what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I'm so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing a clothing haul, and y'all know I love me some clothes. We're at the end of summer. Can you guys believe it's the end of summer already? Like, it's done. We're saying farewell to her, and we are going to be saying hello to fall soon, and I can't believe that time went by that fast. So with that being said, it's time to start shopping for some really cool pieces for the new season. I partnered with Boohoo for this video, so shout out to you, Boohoo. Thank you for sponsoring this video. I picked up some really bomb pieces that I just like. I can't wait to share with you guys what Boohoo has to offer. They came through in the clutch, okay, with the good finds. I want pieces that just work for my closet. You know what I mean? That they give me that high edge, but then they also give me like that super cool, you know, casual vibe. Like, I like to mix it up. This is basically a try on haul. I just want to show you guys how they fit, what they look like on me, and then I'll leave all the links down below, so make sure you guys check those links out so you can shop what you like in this video. So I'm gonna stop rambling because I'm sure you guys want to see the goods, okay? Because your girl did good. I did real good. All right, y'all, so let's just go ahead and dive into the video. that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul. Thank you so much, Boohoo, for sponsoring this video. And if you guys saw anything in this video that you were like, yes sis, I need that, I have the links down in the description box, so check them out. You know what I'm saying? Get your shop on. I can't wait to style these pieces this upcoming fall. Okay, I'm so here for fall. I'm so excited. And I'm wearing my favorite color, which is green. So be on the lookout for some more slang, okay? Because it's coming. It's coming through. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.